It's...
Wait, hold on.
Bye.
It's travel day!
Let's go!
I got all bundled up so we can visit the frosty Orlando, Florida. Just kidding. Orlando's not our final destination, but MCO is the beginning of our expedition. If you wanna feel like a boss, you should get pre-check because it makes things so quick and easy and you don't have to get to the airport as early. Yay, free tram ride. Look at the Sunshine State in all of its ironic glory. Where we're going is gonna have a lot of rain too, but the temperature should be a lot cooler. Hey Matt, are you ready for 40-degree cooler weather?
Better be.
And what city is known to be cooler than Florida and has lots of rain? No place other than Atlanta, Georgia. Okay, I'm gonna stop messing with you guys. I'm really gonna tell you. It's really Seattle, Washington. And why would we be going to Seattle other than it's a really cool city that we've never been to before?
We are going to spend a few days in the Seattle area checking out some of the sights and activities there, but then we are going to board our first ever Alaska cruise.
Can you believe it? I can't believe we haven't done it yet. It's like the cruise of all cruises.
We are very excited about it.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna be awesome. And it's gonna be way chillier than what it feels like here in Florida, which is good because it's been as Taylor Swift would say, a cruel summer. It's cruel because it's so hot in Florida. Now for one of my favorite parts of flying, picking a plane ride snack. Ooh, look. Prince Ali Pez dispenser. If I actually liked Pez, I would maybe get that. But Pez, let's be honest, aren't that great. But the dispenser is cool. So we're in Orlando, so obviously we're not far from Kennedy Space Center. And look, they have space monkeys. What'd you go with, Matt?
I went with some stuff I normally wouldn't do because I'm recovering from oral surgery.
Oh yeah, you have to get soft stuff.
Squeeze, fruit snacks, and a fig bar. These are not for me.
And I got chocolate dipped pretzels. Because, I mean, what could be wrong with that? Also, isn't this the most, like, picturesque water bottle you've ever seen?
I love fall.
There was lightning in the area, so all the flights got delayed a bit, so the airport is very busy right now. Ready, Freddy?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. we're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Do you know why?
No, I don't get it at all.
Because Seattle is known as the Emerald City. Did you know that?
Okay.
I guess it's like all the greenery around.
Alrighty then.
And maybe we'll find ruby slippers.
Doubt it.
Look, we've only been in Seattle for a minute and we already made it to the Space Needle. So since we're staying in Seattle a few days before our cruise, we're gonna rent a car. And I'm pretty sure we have to get on this shuttle in order to get to the rental car area. I think it's like 15 minutes away. So we're gonna hop on that and get our rental car. We made it to our home for the next 4 nights. Courtyard by Marriott. And it's way chillier here.
All right, friends, that's going to do it for us for today, our travel day. What a beautiful landing that was on the flight.
It was like wonderful. Like couldn't be better.
Much nicer weather here. We will be back tomorrow. Full fun day in Seattle. So we hope we will see you back then. But until that time, we're going to sign off for tonight. See you tomorrow. Happy travels.
We're really tired. And guess what? We're gonna eat Taco Bell.
Think outside the bun.